My name is Islambek Ibragimov, and I'm the director of the Rayan Hotel. Our hotel is a small, modern boutique business hotel that caters to the business segment, business travelers, and international organizations. Despite only being in operation for 3 years, the Rayan Hotel has confidently established itself in the market of Osh City. On Booking.com, our score is 9.4, which is a fairly good indicator for Kyrgyzstan. How did we achieve such results? First and foremost, we prioritize standardization. By maintaining consistent service standards, we ensure that the level of service does not drop. Each new employee studies these standards and immediately begins working at this level. The second factor is our employees. The better the employee, the better the service. Our aim was to create a recreation area in the mountains where we could host guests of any level, including the president of another country, without feeling ashamed. To implement this idea, we needed investments. That is when we learned about the Accelerate Prosperity program, which teaches how to create a business plan and present it to investors. In this case, AP acts as an investor, and the accelerator provides investments to the winners. We applied and were accepted into the program, where we studied for a month. We divided the construction of the Rayan Eco Resort into 2 zones, Yurt Town and Cottage Town. The Yurt Camp is intended for short-term vacationers, while the Cottage Town is for those who plan to stay for a longer period. The main service provided will be accommodation, and we are also building a restaurant, a conference hall, a bathhouse, a spa complex, and sports grounds. There is a barbecue area in the Yurt Camp, which will be open only in the summer, while the Cottage Town will be open year-round. We have installed 8 yurts in the Yurt Camp. Thanks to Accelerate Prosperity's investment and support, we have created a new attractive area for tourists, which has a positive effect on the local population, giving them the opportunity to earn money. Our goal is to attract guests to stay for more than just a day. To achieve this, we provide clean bedding, meals, and other amenities, and each yurt is designed like a hotel room. During the first stage of construction, we focused on infrastructure, such as repairing roads and installing water supply and sewerage. We are currently landscaping and creating around 20 direct jobs, while indirectly serving the local population by buying dairy products from them and hiring them to provide various services, such as renting horses. All of this creates additional jobs and value for the local population. The Accelerate Prosperity program played a significant role in this achievement, as it taught us how to present our idea and package it correctly to attract investors. Our primary objective now is to attract additional investment. We also work with various partner funds that provide investments on a larger scale.